Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to add purchase order number to a shipment in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now open the shipment. If it is a current active shipment, then you can open it directly. After your click, you will be redirected to the shipment page. There you can find all the details regarding your shipment. Now click on references at the right side of the page. Here we have to choose the reference type as PO number. Enter the PO number here. Now choose the date. After filling the details, click on Save button. Now the PO number has been added. So this is how you can add PO number to a shipment in Fresa application. So the purpose of adding PO number is that the number should be used throughout the entire transaction process between both the buyer as well as seller. Hope now you got an idea on how to add PO number to a shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.